Digital Films Academy, the official name is MDFA Cinematic Arts Academy Private Limited, is an exciting and innovative venture in practical filmmaking and is founded by filmmaker Mr. Sanjeev Mohapatra and me. See, Mr. Sanjeev Mohapatra, he is the director of this institute and me, managing head as well as the counseling head of this institute. Why counseling head? We don't entertain any kind of inquiry or admission through our receptionist. Personally, I used to handle all the inquiries as well as the admission. If during the process I feel like he or she doesn't have interest or passion towards the industry, only he or she is coming for the sake of degree or getting attracted towards the glamorous, dreamy world, then I used to say, this film industry is not for you.
Rashmi was born into a Brahmin family and grew up in a semi-urban Odisha town. It's difficult to break generational patterns when you come from a conservative background, but her father and brother were always very supportive of her. Even today, whenever she faces any problems, her brother comes to her rescue. After the super cyclone, Rashmi shifted to Mumbai in 1999. Since she was not a native of Mumbai, she was often mistreated by the locals. She got her first job in Doordarshan. Although the salary was minimal, she learnt a lot there. 3 months later, she shifted to another company with high pay. At a point in her career, Rashmi was faced with the dilemma of whether to become a mom or an office worker. Little did she know that her son was to bring her the best joys of life. Time passed by. One day, her new company gave her a choice to either work the night shift or quit the job. Being a working mother, she chose to leave the job. Her son was delighted when she told him that she would be available to him all day. The following month was the absolute best. She enjoyed all the best mother-son moments. Rashmi always finished her work quickly. After staying at home for a month, she saw there was nothing left to do after her household chores were completed. With so much time and energy left, she decided to upgrade herself. Rashmi then took up a job as a professor. Everything she did so far was solely for the sake of money. When her husband returned from the shoot, he made her realize that she is so much more and she can be so much more. It was at this point the idea struck her. The 28th of February is a special day for the Mohapatra couple, as it is their anniversary. On this day, Rashmi gifted her husband Mumbai Digital Films Academy. In the beginning, there was just this banner without any students. 2 days later, she got her first student. And by the 16th of August, which is also their son's birthday, there were already 42 students in her academy. She left the previous rented room and continued her institute in her own place. Although it looked grand from the outside, in reality, there were just 3 people: she, her husband, and their son. Initially, they made their son perform all the roles as they couldn't hire professionals, but everything started from the ground up. Today, the institute has reached its glory as several students are being molded into industry professionals. Rashmi herself takes care of the admission requests and carefully allows only passionate people to enter here. They have received several awards in Best Students Film Awards, Short Film Awards, Blood Donation Projects, etc. To Rashmi, awards don't matter much. She's happy with what she's doing. The most important thing to Rashmi is that ex-students remember their work and appreciate their efforts. At the end of the day, she knows that her institute has turned stones into fine gems that would shine ever after. You can connect with the institute on their website www.mdfa.co.in. Most importantly, Rashmi says that if you want to impact Bollywood, just don't see the outside spark and jump in. First learn the art, become an expert, and then make your mark in the industry.
Everything about filmmaking is extremely easy to learn. The only thing is you must accept the challenge. One important advice I want to give to the students, those who want to learn filmmaking or want to enter into film industry, that even if you are a fast learner, so you just have to learn 20 different careers before starting your own journey. Another thing is, before jumping into the sea, start swimming in the pond. So that same sentence also applicable here. So before entering into the bigger industry, so you just have to do at least 20 short films during your course.